welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Espinagla. For today's vlog, our dinner for today, it is spam tocino from Canada, courtesy of my daughter. Spam tocino from Canada. So let's try, enjoy, and God bless. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe. Please don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all for more updated for the next vlog. Enjoy and God bless. Have a good evening, everyone. And Megan is gonna vlog. So shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Mega shout out to you all. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, subscribe. Please help me to support my YouTube channel by subscribing, like, and share. And more appreciated, everyone, and God bless everyone, and thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy this short vlog, short video of mine, and enjoy the rest of your night. Happy Saturday weekend to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, and God bless. Enjoy, and thank you for watching. See you again soon for the next vlog. Have a good evening, and take care, and be safe, and be careful whatever you do, and have a good night. Thank you all. It's spam for dinner tonight. Our dinner for tonight is tocino spam flavor savor tocino from Canada, courtesy of my daughter. Thank you, and God bless you all.